Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Store them flat in a zip-top freezer bag, with layers of parchment paper between them. That will make it easy to separate them for serving, with minimal breakage. It also makes for more organized storing in the freezer. Cookies should thaw at room temperature outside of the bag for 10 to 15 minutes.
Let's help you make your mark.
Layer delicate cookies, such as spritz or gingerbread men, between sheets of waxed paper in an airtight container. So how long do cookies last like this? The cookies will stay fresh at room temperature or in the refrigerator up to 3 days, or freeze the cookies up to 3 months.
Take our lead.
Baked cookies will keep in the freezer for up to 3 or 4 weeks. After baking, allow cookies to cool completely. Place them in a single layer on a parchment-lined baking sheet to freeze them. Then store them in a freezer-safe zip-top storage bag labeled with the name and date.
Let's help you make your mark.
You can freeze classic Christmas cookies that get coated in powdered sugar, like Russian tea cakes, but it is best to freeze them before baking and coating. Form the cookies and then place on a parchment-lined baking sheet and freeze until solid. When ready to bake, thaw the unbaked cookies on the counterpoint 6 days ago.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.